Hey there, sculpting friends. So, look at all this mess and chaos that I've got going on. I've had such fun. So, what I've been doing is getting all the ball jointed dolls, all the resin casting stuff done, making the molds for the advanced one. So that's all completed now. So if you are part of that class, all the videos are on there. The only thing I have left to show you is how to finish your doll and string it together. But we've gone through how you do the casting and the molds for all the different pieces. So be sure to look for that and you'll see how to get these cool pieces casted together. That's what they look like before they're finished off. Then they end up looking pretty awesome like this. Anyway, also I decided, since we're doing this cool phoenix, and here's her face. I love how it turned out. I know that when I was sculpting, what I would have loved is to be able to have like a head like this, just to be able to have nearby when I was sculpting so I could like see the shapes and the planes and stuff like that. So I decided, since I'm in the casting mode, to make some. And this is like just a little, it's got a little stand with it too. I'm still working on the design of the stand. It didn't turn out as well as I wanted with the stand, but the face turned out amazing. And so this is just the Caucasian colored one, and then we also have this gray, and I can also do one that would be with a browner color for an ethnic version too. But anyway, the gray is actually the best for seeing the detail really well. So if you want it strictly for a sculpting reference, I would choose that version. Anyway, you'll be able to find these both on makingfairies.com and on artdolls.com. They were super fun to make. And then the last thing is to give you a preview of the witch. She's awesome. Sherry is doing amazing making these videos. We have a bunch of videos again, and so it's going to end up being a 2 DVD set. And we'll have to get them out on Monday to you because it's taken a little while to get all those videos put together, but they are so awesome, and I'm going to give you a preview of what this witch doll is going to look like. So hopefully you will join us in the contest and come and have fun sculpting with us. So here is the witch that Sherry has created for us. Look at that face, those eyes. She just has such amazing detail. And these hands and the fingernails, I'm so excited to see every bit of how she put this together. These boots are just adorable. Look at that. So come sculpt with us. Join us in the contest. We are going to have a blast.